Well, key witnesses are now taking the stand today in the murder trial of Edric Faust. He's accused of sexually assaulting and killing UGA student Tara Baker more than 2 decades ago. 11 Alive's Marissa Sarbach joins us now from the newsroom. Marissa, now you've been listening to that testimony all day long. What are some of the key moments today?
Ron, we got to look inside the apartment, images from the crime scene that were showed to the jury during testimony. Today, we also heard from the prosecution's witnesses, including the medical examiner, a detective who handled the investigation at the crime scene, and a 911 call center operator. Tara Baker was a law school student at the University of Georgia. She was found dead in her Athens apartment on January 19, 2001. Law enforcement and the medical examiner stated she was sexually assaulted and strangled, that her body had a knife wound on the neck and blunt force trauma to the head. They also say she had been burned in the apartment fire that initially called cops out to the scene. In addition to the factual testimony we heard today, we also heard emotional testimony from Tara's best friend, the last person to see her alive.
Is that the last time you ever talked to Tara?
Yeah. I think the last thing she ever said to me was that I said hello, and she said, "You did not call me." And I said, "I know, I'm so sorry." And she said, "But you're okay?" I said, "I am." And she said, "All right, I'll talk to you tomorrow." And that was kind of it.
So when you say I'll talk to you tomorrow, this is Thursday night.
Yes.
So tomorrow would be Friday, January 19th, 2001. Is that right?
Yes.
The case was cold for more than 2 decades, but was reopened in 2024 when new DNA technology allowed forensic scientists to retest preserved DNA. This led law enforcement to the defendant, Edric Faust. The prosecution says there is a 1 in 800 quadrillion chance the DNA belongs to someone else. The defense team is expected to argue that there is no direct evidence, like fingerprints or eyewitnesses, tying Faust to the murder. Ron?
Okay, thanks a lot, Marissa. We appreciate that. Hopefully they get some justice for this young lady. We're going to be streaming the trial on 11 Alive Plus, so download 11 Alive Plus on your TV and stay up to date.